My Viking Project. We will go in the same order that the checklist goes in from top to bottom. Longship talking points, 3D longship model, shield helmet talking points, shield model and helmet model, rune necklace, ship navigation, coming to Greenland, who gets credit, and the Viking debate. 7 longship facts. The sail is used to help push them along if the wind is good. The mast is to help turn the sail and can act as a weight to prevent the ship from flipping. The oars are to push the boat if there is no wind or if you need a push to undock the boat. The head was made so that it could intimidate people. The shaft, how deep a ship is in the water of the ship, was very high, meaning that it was able to very shallow places and was then able to appear almost anywhere that a river led, which led to many surprise attacks from places no one thought of. Most Scandinavian longships were mostly made of timber for its strength, but that can change depending on where it was built in and what's available. Viking longships were usually used for exploration, trade, warfare, raiding, and ceremonies. Longship model. Shield and helmet talking points. The key material of a Viking shield is wood. The key material of a Viking helmet is iron. The normal size of a Viking shield is 80 centimeters to 90 centimeters, or 32 inches to 36 inches. The normal size of a Viking helmet is 45 centimeters or 18 inches. The normal weight of a Viking shield is 7 kilograms or 15 pounds. The normal weight of a Viking helmet is 4 lebs. The Viking shield was first made in the 5th to 1st centuries BCE. The Viking helmet with horns was first made in the 19th century by a costume designer. Shield and helmet models. Rune necklace. Ship navigation. Stars. The Vikings would use the stars to find out where they were. Birds. They would use birds to find their way to land. Sun and moon. They also used the sun and moon to find out where west and east were. Going back to Greenland. Good points. There is lots of food access. There's lots of room to build. Bad points. Not much land for crops. Ice is in the way when it's winter. Who gets credit? Christopher Columbus or Leif Erikson? Columbus, he discovered land in the Caribbean. Erikson, he discovered land in Canada. He found it in 1492. He found it in 1000. He landed in the Bahamas. He landed in Newfoundland. He made 4 voyages. He made 1 voyage. He made the trade between Europe and the USA. He left evidence of Norse people, but made no trade. Neither of them had landed in the USA, so they both lose. But if I had to choose one, it would be Leif Erikson because he at least made it to the same landmass from this source. Viking debates. I think that the Vikings had a good impact because their ships were very innovative, which made easy travel on both rivers and sea. They utilized psychological warfare many times in battle. They showed how good a surprise attack could be. They found many masses of land that many people now call home. They made an easy to understand alphabet. The end of my Viking project.